Welcome to part 2 in my alternative fireworks ideas trilogy. In part 1 we saw how you can celebrate New Year's Eve and other important celebrations with a matchstick castle that includes sparklers. And I do apologise for the aeroplane noise in the background. Noisy! This channel is about lifelong learning, and one important part of lifelong learning is seeing how well you can make a fireworks fountain with jumbo-sized sparklers. In my previous firework fountain, which you can see here, I used 24cm sparklers. However, today I'm using 40cm jumbo-sized sparklers. Will this make any difference? Let's find out. Warning! Don't try this yourself. It's incredibly dangerous and I'm not even following the instructions on the box. Yes, I'm crazy! Don't do this. And so here's my supersized fireworks fountain. How well will it go? Let's find out. Not bad.
Oh my goodness!
Not bad. If I'm honest, that wasn't as good as the smaller one. So I don't recommend making jumbo-sized fireworks fountains. The smaller one was much better. Make smaller fireworks fountains. There you go. I hope that the final part of our trilogy is more successful. You can find the link to that one in the description below. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.